Welcome to this Vibe Pro 6 tutorial video. This video, our second video, is on the single measurement mode. This is the basic mode that many of you probably have used before with Vibe Pro 5. We've tweaked a few things with Vibe Pro 6. So first off, here is the launch screen where you'll see your 6 different icons. To get into single measurement mode, you'll click on the first one. The second one is for route measurements when you're doing routes, and the third one is for viewing those routes trends. So for all your post-processing work is done there. And you have settings, help, and about Vibe Pro below it. So we will dive into those at a future video. For now, let's hit single measurement, and we'll go into a very familiar interface. You'll see a power button on the top right there. Select that to turn on the Vibe Pro. Then go and hit the spectrum button. That will put you into a spectrum. Now, new to Vibe Pro 6 is the ability to do 2 spectrums or readings per report. So we'll click the report once. You'll see a 1 show up there on report. And now we can switch it to acceleration, and you'll see an A there. So you just click between V and A to do that. Click report again. You'll now have both readings right there, velocity and acceleration. You'll have a map which you can change to the regular view there. You'll have the ability to add an image there. So that ability is turned off by default because it is memory intensive, but if you would like the camera, you can turn that on in settings. When you hit view report, you'll have this wonderful 4-page report or so. On this page, you'll see the basic information about the spectrum, then you'll have the map. And on the 4th page is a new page which gives you some just guidance as to what the problem may be. You'll be able to name that report, and when you name the report, that will be saved in a new report manager for Vibe Pro 6. So let's name it, and you can also email that report, and it'll be emailed directly out of your iPad. So now that we have the report both named and emailed, let's go to the home page and now select Report Manager. In Report Manager, you'll be able to view all past reports, and there's the one we just did. So select GTI report right over there, and you'll have the report. Click on the full screen button on the top right, and then you have the full screen report, which you can scroll through and view all of the pages to it. You can exit out of that and hit the email button on the bottom right, or left, excuse me, and you'll be the email out that report right from the report manager. So that's the overall basics on single measurement mode in Vibe Pro 6.